Hey guys, welcome back to the another episode of Barber Master. Guys, in this video you will find the most satisfying haircut transformation of black guys. Guys, if you are searching for some latest haircut update, I think you are in the right place. This video is specially made for you, so don't skip this video. Watch this video till then, you will get the right haircut idea for you. So let's see what's gonna happen in this transformation, because we got 15 to 20 latest haircut transformation that inspiration of best barber around the world. So you have to watch this whole transformation compilation. Wow, all of this crazy haircut inspired by the best barbers. These barbers God gifted hands, and it's pretty awesome. I love that type of transformation.
If you got a rainbow line like my client, raise your hand. First, I'm gonna knock down his hairline and then prep the skin and use a hot towel. Then I'm gonna freeze the hair and use his sidebars as a reference point. Then I'm gonna start in the middle and go to the left side and then to the right side to match it up. And my boy got that natural crease before enhancements, and then when you go after enhancements, it's still creasy, stop playing. But if you had the same or similar problems and located in Tupelo, Mississippi, click the link in my bio to book your next appointment. But my boy sliced and diced, you already know.
Watch most beautiful haircut transformation every day by the best barber.
My client wants to go down the wave. He says other barbers are cutting against the grain, leaving his hair too short with no wave. So I'm making sure to go with the grain to ensure I leave length for the waves. Then I'm going in on the fade, getting it nice and blended. Then applying wave foam to lay down his hair. This is before, and this is the after. You can see a few waves coming in right there. He paid me $170 for this haircut. If you're in the LA area, so link in my bottom.
My client has a weak C-cup and a bald spot on his beard. I solved that problem by taking the fade higher and blending his beard towards the jaw. Gave him some Colombian sugar and bam! Look at that smile. You guys know the drill. Don't forget to click the link in my bio to book your appointment.
Oh my god. This is gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation of the day. This is gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation of the month, the year, the decades.
My my client has receding corners, most barbers would make him look like Vegeta. So to avoid that, we're gonna section off his hair to give him that classic pompadour style. For the lineup, I'm gonna comb down light hairs, trim them down to a 1 to give him a crispier shape. To finish off his look, I blow dried his hair and added a little styling powder for added volume. Here's the before, and here's the after. As you can see, we kept this natural lineup. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Hit the link in my bio to schedule your appointment.
And yes, you can also submit your transformation clip, and we will like do the video on your transformation. And yes, you can be the part of our channel. So if you really want a part of our channel, then whenever you go to the barber shop, record your transformation journey and just edit it or whatever. If you wanna give us some raw file, then submit on barbermastros@gmail.com, or you can also submit your video on our Instagram. And yes, we will do edit and upload it on our channel.
Do you have a patch in the back of your head? Just like you, my client has one. To combat this, I'm gonna bulk down all the unnecessary hair and give him a mid-fade with a stretched blend to make sure that patch isn't as noticeable. If you're in Orlando and have this situation, go ahead and hit the link in my bio to book your appointment.
Hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, turn on the post notification. Yeah. Okay, now you can watch.
Client has straight wavy hair and he wants somewhat of a longer slick back, but he doesn't want to go too short on the sides like this or leave it too long like this with some crazy sideburns. So I'm gonna cut a good amount off because he's been wolfing, but I'm gonna still keep it a good length so it can slick back nicely, and I'm keeping the taper nice and low to preserve length on the sides. Then I'm styling the hair and I'm finally taking off all his sideburns with the razor. And this is his before and this is his after. I gave him that nice wavy slick back flow. He paid me $180 for this haircut. If you're in the LA area, click the link in my bio to book your appointment.
My client wanted a fade to complement the shape of his head. Other barbers will run a guard over the crown, breaking the shape, like this. The way to achieve this shape is with sectional shear work. This allows me to have maximum control and better accuracy. Give him some powder for added volume, shake, stir, and there you go. As you can see, we kept the shape, and my client was happy with the results. Tap the link in my bio to book your next appointment.
The perfect transformations of the day. Guys, thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification to get updated for upcoming upload.